start. We're at Goodwood this week in the Renault Megane. So here, as you get to this box with those marshals, you want to just tap the brakes ever so slightly. You want to be very gentle on the brakes. Don't scrape off too much speed. You just want to get weight on the front wheels and then corner in. And then you're just going to play with the throttle and the brake depending on where you sit on track, just to pull it to the inside. And then once you have grip, then you can accelerate out, rev it out all the way. I was going to about 193 kmph. You keep going, and again at these marshals just before the haystack, again you want to just tap the brakes ever so slightly. Just pay attention to how light you tap the brakes, not going full. Take the corner, you can even chuck it into fifth at that corner, but at the second one you definitely want to exit in fifth. Now this one, there were a couple of white marks here on the track that I was using, either the one that we just passed there or the ones that are coming up. And just as you pass that first white mark, that's where you want to start braking. Brake down into fourth. Again, you don't want to go full brakes, but over there you brake quite hard and then accelerate out in fourth quite early. Rev it to like 153 kilometers per hour. Again in fifth, you rev it out all the way to 193. And then just as you get to this last exit road, again there's a small marshal's box over there. That's where you want to start braking, right either in the middle of that opening or right at the end of that track coming in. Now here I was braking just before that shadow. It's quite tricky to get. You need to get the balance right for the exit, so just make sure you set it up so that the balance, the weight is going outwards for that second left-hander. That's how you can take it quickly. Again, you're gonna look out for those marshal box over there. Tap the brakes ever so slightly, pull it in towards the curb, and then you can start accelerating out. Just after that first curb, rev this car quite hard. This whole section is flat out. Not this marshals, the next one, that's what you're looking out for. Tap the brakes, chuck it in, and go into fifth right there if you want. Just tap the brakes at that left-hander, the sound, where that road meets, and then accelerate out early in fifth. Start looking out for those white markers on the road, the one that's in the middle of the road. That's where I was braking. Down into fourth, accelerate out early, and then just rev it out all the way. Both fourth and fifth, you want to rev it out quite a bit. Looking for the service road, the last one, middle or the end of it. Brake. Shifting to fourth a bit late over there. As you hit that curb on the right, you can accelerate out early just before the shadow there. Now there you check, you want to chuck it in a bit early and let the weight sit on the outside wheels for the left hand, and then accelerate out towards the line.